Want a smarter home without breaking the bank? In today's video, we'll show you 10 game-changing smart devices that'll take your living space from ordinary to extraordinary. Stay tuned to find out which gadgets you need in 2025. Thermostats. Smart. Thermostats are one of the best investments you can make for your home. These devices help you save money on energy bills by learning your preferences and adjusting the temperature accordingly. Imagine being able to control your home's temperature from your phone while you're at work or on vacation. With smart thermostats, you don't have to worry about wasting energy when no one is home. They can detect when you're home or away and adjust the temperature for maximum efficiency. Plus, many models allow you to set a schedule, so the thermostat can automatically adjust throughout the day, saving even more energy. Over time, these little changes can add up. According to studies, smart thermostats can save an average of 8% on heating and cooling costs. In a typical home, that could mean more than $100 a year in savings. With modern features like integration with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant and mobile apps, you can control your home's climate at the touch of a button, ensuring comfort without the high energy bills. Security systems. Smart security systems are the perfect way to ensure that your home stays safe while you're away. With features like video doorbells, security cameras, and motion sensing lights, you can keep an eye on your property from anywhere in the world. The best part? These systems can be controlled via a mobile app on your phone. For instance, a smart doorbell lets you see and speak to anyone at your door, no matter where you are. Security cameras allow you to monitor the front yard, backyard, or any entry point to your home. Even better, motion sensing lights will automatically turn on if someone approaches, acting as a deterrent to potential intruders. In fact, many burglars report that the sight of a security camera or a doorbell camera is enough to make them move on to an easier target. Having a smart security system gives you peace of mind, knowing that your home is protected 24/7. Plus, these systems can alert you if something unusual happens, so you're always in the loop. Cooktops. Smart cooktops bring a modern touch to your kitchen by making cooking more efficient and convenient. Imagine being able to adjust the temperature of your stove with just a voice command or a touch on your phone. Many smart cooktops have features like voice control, allowing you to turn burners on or off without even needing to move from your prep station. Some models even have sensors that detect when a pot is removed from the surface and will automatically turn off the heat, reducing the risk of burns or accidents. Additionally, smart cooktops can automatically set timers when you place a pot on them, which helps avoid overcooking or burning your food. Another benefit is that these cooktops often come with built-in timers, so you don't have to keep track of the cooking time manually. Smart technology like this makes cooking easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Plus, it's perfect for multitasking in the kitchen without worrying about things burning or boiling over. Plugs. If you're ever worried that you left an appliance on while you're out, smart plugs are a great solution. These plugs are an easy way to turn any regular outlet into a smart outlet that you can control remotely. With smart plugs, you can turn off your coffee maker, hair straightener, or even lights from your phone, even if you're miles away from home. This feature gives you peace of mind and helps prevent accidents. For example, let's say you're already on your way to work and you realize you left your iron on. With a smart plug, you can simply open the app on your phone and turn off the power. They're also great for controlling lights or appliances on a schedule, so you don't waste energy when you don't need to. Many smart plugs are affordable, with some costing less than $10, making them an easy and cost-effective way to enhance your home's efficiency and safety. Smoke and carbon monoxide (CO) sensors. Traditional smoke and CO detectors are good at alerting you to danger, but they only make noise when you're home. What if you're at work or on vacation? Smart smoke and CO sensors fix this issue by connecting to your phone and sending real-time alerts if something is wrong. If the sensor detects smoke or high levels of carbon monoxide, It sends an alert straight to your phone, no matter where you are. This means that even if you're not home, you can act quickly and take steps to protect your property and loved ones. Some models go even further by contacting emergency services for you if a dangerous level of smoke or carbon monoxide is detected. Having a smart smoke and CO detector gives you an added layer of security, knowing that you can always monitor your home even when you're away. This technology is especially helpful when you're traveling or at work and can't immediately react to a traditional alarm. Locks. Smart locks are an upgrade from traditional locks, offering greater security and convenience. With a smart lock, you can lock and unlock your door using your phone, keypads, or even with voice commands. You can set up temporary access codes for visitors, so you don't have to give them a physical key. This is especially useful if you have service people like cleaners or dog sitters who need to access your home. Some models even allow you to set specific times when the code will be valid, so there's no worry about giving access to the wrong people at the wrong time. Many smart locks also send alerts when someone enters or exits your home, adding an extra layer of security. And because these locks use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, you can control and monitor your door from anywhere, making them a great choice for modern-day convenience and peace of mind. Forget about fumbling for keys or worrying about lost copies. Smart locks are the future of home security. Water leak sensors. Water damage can be one of the most costly problems in a home, but a smart water leak sensor can help you prevent major damage. These sensors are placed in areas that are most likely to have water issues, such as under sinks, near washing machines, or along pipes. When the sensor detects moisture or an unusual rise in humidity, it sends an alert to your phone, so you can take action immediately. This early warning system helps prevent problems like mold growth, ruined flooring, or structural damage. The best part is that these sensors are easy to install and affordable. With a smart water leak sensor, you don't have to wait for a flood to occur before you realize there's an issue. You'll be able to fix leaks and stop water damage before it becomes a costly repair. Plus, it adds peace of mind, knowing your home is being monitored around the clock. Appliances. Smart appliances are transforming the way we interact with everyday household items. From refrigerators that let you see inside without opening the door to washing machines that can be controlled via your smartphone. Smart appliances make life more convenient. A smart refrigerator can track what you have inside and even create shopping lists for you. Some models will alert you when food is nearing expiration, helping reduce food waste. A smart washer or dryer can adjust settings based on the type of clothing inside, ensuring everything is cleaned efficiently while saving energy. Over time, the energy savings can outweigh the initial cost of the appliances. While smart appliances often come with a higher price tag, their ability to help you save on utility bills and make tasks like grocery shopping or laundry more convenient can make them a valuable addition to your home. Shutters. Smart shutters might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but they're actually a practical solution for modern homes. These shutters are automated, meaning they can open or close based on the time of day, the weather, or even your preferences. For example, it can open to let in natural light during the day and close at night to provide privacy and keep the temperature stable. By automatically adjusting to your home's environment, smart shutters can help reduce your energy consumption. By providing extra insulation, you can even control them remotely using a mobile app, which is especially useful if you're on vacation or at work. If a storm is coming, you can close the shutters to protect your home from damage. Smart shutters not only enhance the look of your home, but also help improve energy efficiency, security, and convenience. Front door. Smart entry doors are a high-tech way to secure and manage access to your home. These doors feature frosted glass that can transform into clear glass at the push of a button or a tap on your phone. This feature allows you to see who's at the door without compromising your privacy. Smart doors often integrate with smart locks so you can unlock the door remotely, grant access to visitors, or monitor entryways. Some models even have additional features like facial recognition or video surveillance, making them perfect for a modern, secure home. Whether you're trying to add an extra layer of security or just want a more convenient way to manage your front door, smart entry doors are a great choice. They add a futuristic, convenient, and secure touch to any home. That's a wrap on our top 10 smart home devices for 2025. From improving your security to making your home more energy efficient, these gadgets can transform the way you live. Which one would you add to your home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing smart home innovations. See you in the next video.